Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have y over x, that is about the root number 1. So this is about homogeneous. So I will put about y equals to vs. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides. So first the derivative of v. So we have number 1 dv over dx multiplied by s. First the derivative of s, we have number 1, so we have v. And that is about the product rule of the derivative. So y I change for vs. This one I change for this one. Now we simplify s. So v I will put in here, so we have negative v. So v minus v we cancel. So v square I will put on the left, ds and s I will put on the right. Next, we need to integral for the both sides. So the integration of this one, we have negative 1 over v. This one we have ln of the absolute value of s, and I will put about c. About v, that is about this one, so we divide both sides by s. And now we need to change v into this one. And this one we have s over y. This is the end. Thank you for watching.